UJAM has an interesting effect. It's multi-effect. It has different effects in it, different modes. And I want to use it on this modulation channel. This modulation channel is supposed to bring vocal up and make it closer to the listener, give it a stereo vibe, a stereo field vibe, and a stereo occupation, movement, and etc. etc. So I will disable this Tal Chorus that I've used. I will engage this one. There was a mode that I really liked. I think it was BK.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime.
It is really musical. It is a really very musical chorus that just works with one knob. And it is really musical. But I was seeking another effect here. Big hair, I think.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine. Zolling down to sever ties. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one.
It has bigger space, more delays, more audio movement, and stronger space with controlled frequency ranges, some frequency ranges that we might not like much. It is really amazing little one knob, two knob effect for whatever you might have in your project. Let me use another one. Jet plane, yes, this one was interesting too.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No.
Just immediately right. It's like using LA2A compressors or simulations or hardware units on any audio material. It's just right. It just sounds good and it feels good. It's that kind of effect.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine. Zolling down to sever ties. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire. Blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer. Got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been
Dude, it's great. Let me say you something. It will change the way you mix completely. We had one knob plugins like Waves one knob effects that were sounding good just with increasing one knob. You would have a different audio quality, reverb, delay or saturation, distortion. But this one is something else. It's like smarter, it's like grander, and it covers a lot of audio situations, audio mixing situations. It sounds good. It's not dirty. It's not destroying the audio field. It's not out of phase. It's not just in the depths of the song, lost. It sounds good. When you load it, when you choose a mode that fits your song, it's done. It's all you need. Maybe you would load an equalizer for whatever you want to correct or make changes, but you wouldn't need that, as you can hear.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head.
The jet plane is crazy. So let's get back to what I had earlier.
Blind when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to sing and Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine.
Let me make up this gain change to compare better.
Flying when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to singing Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine. Zolling down to 7 times. Ask my mom, I never lied. I'm the one that they admire, blocking all that bullshit. Thought they told you I'm a writer, got it lit, don't need a lighter. Where I'm going, getting higher. I've been tired of that pussy shit. Like flying when they rhyme, talking all this fucking crime. When they said you do a dime, you got to singing Amy Wine. No, we aiming for the head and spine.
Tal Chorus is amazing too. It sounds good, it has a great movement and natural movement. Of course, that modulations need manipulation to have natural movements and natural effects in the mix. But the finisher is just good when it's loaded. It doesn't need any changes. It's just whatever it says. And if you know how it works, like this jet plane, you would know where to use it and how to match it with audio spaces, audio spatial concepts that you have in your mix. I just love it. I just love it. The previous plugin that I reviewed from UJAM wasn't really exciting for me. I am that kind of old-fashioned guy that uses a simple reverb, adds weird plugins after that. I don't use extreme weird reverbs. I don't like them. They make everything harder to achieve. You should use presets to just have a great start point. And if you change something, everything needs changing. That's why I don't like weird plugins. I rather add what I want in slots, as you can see here. So for me, simple tools that just gives you what you want is a relief of mind. But I love Tal Chorus too. It has its own applications, its own scenarios to be useful. But this Finisher Micro is amazing, is marvelous, and I really like it. I think I would use it more in my projects. You would see I will record videos for you too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.